We're on lesson 6.3 in our Go Math book. Today we're going to learn about three-digit addition and regrouping ones. We're on page 289. The essential question is, when do you regroup ones in addition? So we're going to draw quick pictures to show what we did here. There were 213 people at the show on Friday and 156 people at the show on Saturday. How many people were at the show on the 2 nights? So our first number was 156. So we need to do a quick picture. So 156. Then 213. So we're going to do that underneath here. So 200, 110, and 3 ones. So now we're just going to add those up to see what we have. We have 6 here and 3 more, that makes 9. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 1 more makes 6. And we have 100, 200, 300 here. So our answer is 369. Our math talk is describe how you modeled the problem. Well, we did a quick picture for each one of the numbers, and then we just went ahead and counted up in each place. We did the ones place and the tens place and then the hundreds place to get our final answer, 369. Turn your paper over, and we're going to the top where it says model and draw. Our math problem here is 246 plus 117. So the first thing that you do is add the ones. 6 plus 7 is 13. So right here, 6 plus 7 is 13. Now my students, I always ask you to write that 13 on the side so that you remember that you have 3 ones and you have a 110 there that needs to go in the tens place. So now we have 4 plus 1 is 5, and 1 more is going to make 6. So we put our 6 in the tens place, and then we go to our hundreds, and we have 2 hundreds, and 1 more is 3 hundreds. So the answer is 363. So now, instead of drawing quick pictures, we are just going to be using numbers and doing our addition. They do have them separated into 3 columns because we have 3 places when we use a hundreds number. And these lines just help keep your numbers organized. So we always start at the ones place first. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we do have to regroup. So 2 goes in the ones place and 1 goes in the tens place. And 2 plus 3 is 5, and I cannot forget to add in that 10. 1 more makes 6. And in my hundreds place, 3 plus 1 is 4 for 462. So we needed to regroup here because we got a 2-digit answer, and that 10 needs to go to the tens place. This one is 445 plus 23. So 5 plus 3 is 8. I do not need to regroup because I just have a single digit here. So I can put my 8 down. I do not put a 110 up here. I only do that if I need to. And so it's 4 plus 2 is 6, and 4 plus nothing here is 4. The answer is 468. Go to your next page. So on this page, you're going to do this on your own. You're doing it exactly the way we just did it. Start at your ones place first. Please remember to put the answer that you get on the side so that if you need to regroup, you'll remember, you'll see that 10 that's there. And let's go to the back. It says the gift shop is 140 steps away from the zoo entrance. The train stop is 235 steps away from the gift shop. How many total steps is this? So they're asking for a total. And we're just going to make what I call an H. We need 2 lines down and a line across the top. So we're going to do 140, 235, Draw the line, and you need to remember to show me what it is you're going to do. Are you going to add or subtract here? Put your sign there and go ahead and get your answer. Number 12 is a hot problem. On Thursday, there were 326 visitors at the zoo. There were 200 more visitors at the zoo on Friday than on Thursday. How many visitors were at the zoo on both days? All right, so this is a two-step problem. So we already know how many there were on Thursday. There were 326. Friday was 200 more than that. So let's make an H here and do 326. And we need to do 200 more. So that means we're going to add. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So that's our Friday number. And we knew our Thursday number, it's right here. So they want to know how many visitors were at the zoo on both days. So again, they are looking for a total. So we need our 326 for Thursday. And then we figured out our Friday number. It's 526. And you're going to add. So go ahead and do that and put your answer on the line. And number 13 says, on Thursday, 175 drinks were sold at the zoo. On Friday, 219 drinks were sold. How many drinks were sold on both days? So again, we are looking for a total. So let's make an H here. And you need to use your 175, your 219, and find out how many drinks were sold on both days. And when you have completed this whole paper, then you are done with your assignment.